This is the second video in a short series of 3, and it's all about keep at it. When the going gets tough, keep at it. As I said before, it's aimed at salespeople, people looking for new positions on the job search, and perhaps if you're running your own business as well. These are really handy tips. So the video last week was about being very organised, and you can go and watch that. This one is about sort of using your network, your tribe. I like the word tribe. We've had tribes for millions of years, and you go to your tribe for your help, and perhaps go to the elders of the tribe for advice. And that's what I'm going to talk about now, is because, networking. So 4 tips. The first one is, who in your tribe and your network are good listeners? Who are the people that you can just offload to and talk to, and they just sort of get it? They're not trying to fix your problems, they're not trying to come up with answers or interrupting or end up talking about themselves. So who are your good listeners? These people are gold dust at the moment. I try and practice it as much as I can, so if you do want to give us a shout, I'll always practice my being a good listener. It's something that, obviously through coaching, that I've tried to do, and not just to fix people's problems all the time. So that's the first tip. The second one, who in your tribe can help you, give you great advice, act as a mentor, and perhaps give you some good direction. There again, these are people that you've got to trust, and you think, when they talk, you like to listen. So don't get defensive when they perhaps give you a bit of tough love or say things you don't really like to hear, but they are essential people. The third third tip in your tribe is, who are people that have other good connections and they can introduce you to others. And sometimes you sort of forget about these people, but they're actually very good networkers themselves, and they're very happy to say, look, let me introduce you to so and so. You can have a really good chat with them. But if you don't ask, you don't get. So that's really, really quite important that you do that. And the fourth tip is, who in your perhaps tribe or outside your tribe you'd like to invite into your tribe, into your network, that you perhaps need to get to know better. Perhaps people you've perhaps worked with in the past, people you know of, people in associations, and you think, I really ought to get to know that person better. So start to think about how you can introduce yourself and have some great questions to go and talk to them about. And your tribe and your network is very important for the rest of your future, so you need to invest in it. Don't be just, be a giver, don't be just a taker. That's really quite important. So invest in your tribe. Who's a good listener? Who's great for advice and direction? Who can introduce you to others? And the fourth one, who do you actually need to invite into your tribe, into your network, that could help you in the future? So that's the second video. Third one next time is, don't feel guilty, because it is tough times and we feel that we should be on it all the time. That'll have some interesting four key points on that one to focus on as well. So we'll see you next time.